topic is plastic recycling. Introduction to plastic recycling. Recycling is the process of converting plastic into reusable material. It plays a crucial role in reducing plastic waste and conserving natural resources. Understanding the recycling process can help improve recycling rates and environmental outcomes. In our daily life, we see so much of plastic in our areas. They will be reduced by our own self. Types of plastics. Plastics are categorized into different types based on their chemical structure. The most common types include is PET, HDPE, PVC, LDPE, PP and PS. Each type has unique properties and recycling methods affecting how they are proceed. The importance of recycling. Plastic recycling helps reduce the amount of waste sent to landfills and oceans. It conserves energy and raw materials, decreasing our carbon footprint. Recycling also promotes sustainable practices and encourages a crucial circular economy. Challenges in plastic recycling. Contamination of recycling materials can hinder the recycling process significantly. Many types of plastics are not widely accepted at recycling facilities. Public awareness and participation are crucial for improving recycling rates. Innovations in plastic recycling. New technologies such as chemical recycling are emerging to improve plastic recovery. Biodegradable waste plastics are being developed to reduce long-term waste. Innovations in sorting technology can enhance the efficiency of recycling facilities. Benefits of plastic recycling. Recycling reduces the environmental impact associated with plastic production. It supports the economy by creating jobs in the recycling and manufacturing sectors. Communities benefit from cleaner environments and reduced population levels. Global plastic recycling rates. Global plastic recycling rates vary significantly from country to country. Where some countries having implemented efficient recycling systems, others lag behind. Understanding these rates can help identify areas for improvement and investment. In our country, there is so much of plastic will be generating day by day. They will be reduced by our own self. Why? Because in future the plastic will be మనం రోజు ప్లాస్టిక్ ఎంత వేస్ట్ చేస్తున్నామో అదే మనకి డేంజర్ అవుతుంది. రేపు పొద్దున మనం మన ఫ్యూచర్లో ఏమైనా చేయాలన్నా ఏదైనా జరగాలన్నా దానివల్లే మనకి కొత్తవన్నీ అర్త్క్వేక్స్ వాటర్ కన్జంప్షన్ అన్నీ ఎక్కువ అవుతాయి. దానివల్ల మనం ప్లాస్టిక్ అనేది తక్కువ యూజ్ చేయాలి. అంటే అదే కాక రీసైకిల్ చేయాలి. దాన్ని హౌ టు రీసైకిల్ ప్లాస్టిక్ effectively. Always check loyal recycling guidelines to ensure proper disposals of plastics. Clean and sort plastic before recycling to prevent contamination. Encourage others to participate in recycling programs to increase community efforts. The future of plastic recycling. The future of plastic recycling depends on advancements in technology and public engagement. Policies and regulations are being developed to enhance recycling infrastructures. Collective efforts are essential to achieve a sustainable and crucial plastic economy. Thank you for giving.